Hi guys, I am here at Sonsbeek Park at the Sonsbeek exhibition, which will end on 29th of August. Behind me, you can see a floating structure that is beautifully constructed, and it is named as Deep Encounter. Let's go inside and watch how it is constructed.
Nice experience when you're inside as you're floating around. You get a little bit dizzy.
Yeah.
At first I didn't realize that we were floating, and then you look outside and then you see the nature passing by and you're like, okay, we're moving. So it's really a nice experience.
I really like the stone.
Okay.
It's a good stone.
Good stone.
Yeah, I also really like the stone. It feels like it's not as heavy as it probably is.
But it is heavy. It's a real stone actually.
It's an illusion.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this. It's beautiful. It's open. It is, yes. I like it very much.
I think it's good to reuse all these materials because we are in the middle of the nature. Now we are in a tent and you only can see the nature in small parts.
It was a party to be in there.
Okay.
Because it was such beautiful colors and the holes in it and the light through and the fun when people stepped on the wooden things on the outside and thought they were pushed. Well, they did it themselves and
Okay. So you loved it?
we did.
Oh, thank you so
I would
much.
like to have it in my garden, but my pond is a bit too small.
Okay. Wish you best of luck for that. Maybe you have a big
Yeah,
garden.
I hope.